Dude, I was like,
I want the memories, guys.
yeah.
Way harder.
Yeah.
Good shot, William. Hit it with the bat again.
Safe.
Hey, boy.
Black.
Real balls after.
Yeah. I picked it off the turf, man. I can bring it. I do like the woman here because of the difference. That was close. I don't know how that missed.
That was real close. Shot, baby.
Oh. That guy didn't even know you hit it.
Had a ding to it.
That one cracked.
Can't panic.
This is the crazy.
Can't panic. Hey guys, dude.
Is that a crack?
Nah, these fans take a long time.
You know you don't.
Yeah.
You want to know something wildly crazy? Well, when me and Frank had home run, well, when I had home runs with Frank ever this year, that's exactly.
I got you, man.
Really?
That is weird.
That's hilarious.
I can't believe you just said that. I was like, smash my dad. That's funny as shit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's good.
Just been inside. Big ball, man.
Good on. Good night.
Yeah, we don't do walks, right?
Nope.
I don't really play the ball. Like they take.
Sorry, I just get frustrated.
They take like 8 pitches and you throw one kind of close to the plate. Fine. I would have.
Well, that was me that did it.
Let's go 4.
You guys got to step back so I can see first base.
I don't like that.
Nobody does.
Come on, man. Think you only get 7.
I was waiting on my pitch. He said I was waiting on my pitch.
What do you count that thing?
You're right. Has nothing to do with us.
Come on, Tanner.
They just didn't hit the ball good. Keep on watching.
Oh.
Hey, go Tanner. Go Tanner.
Yeah, you're there.
Nice wheels.
Come on, Flip.
That blazing speed. I'll take another one like your last one. That's pretty good. Yeah.
We won it.
Playing with a dog over here. Well, I mean, I went to
Let's go check out the film. Let's go right now, 2 games behind. Out?
They did, but not that really. They got 7 pitches.
Go.
Get back.
Wheels, Tanner, wheels.
Can't run for a second.
Everybody's safe.
Hey, Nothing happened before. It was a ball. He's shit. We went to left-handed batter. We had to move.
Out.
Got it, 3.
Good job, guys. Could have been 2 outs, but it's all right.
Yo, Justin.
Taking you out.
I asked her last night too. Let him up for me. Redeem myself.
Strike.
Probably should have swung at that one. It literally was.
You guys have seen a lot.
Ask for it.
Hey, the wind got hold up. Hey, nice shot! Let's go! That's what I'm talking about! Let's go! Yeah!
Like, I was gonna hit it over the road again, dude. Whatever.
That was me. Mine hurts too.
By the way, when I got out
You got 1 down?
Yeah.
Huh? 2? There's 2 out?
I think so.
Yeah. I got. Oh yeah, you got
Yeah, it
it.
was
You,
me in third.
you had a force out and Justin. Yeah.
I have it. I'm going cheap.
Oh no, I was trying to remember. Nice shot, Eli. I want me one of those.
I think you already
I
got
want one of those.
Yeah. A little laser beam.
I want a majestic.
A majestic blast like Justin's was.
I'm gonna get it.
Come on, Damien. Come on.
No?
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
Did you jump on the other side of the fence like that? Let's see where we're walking. Can the ball touch on the other side? Like say you catch it and lean over if it touches.
Yeah. I'd say typically it's a home
Here
run.
in play, that would be an out. But if you dump
But
the
if you
fence and grab it,
Then here.
Yeah.
it ain't. Or you can't bat it back in.
Mom!
Be quiet.
Hey, we gotta play another game where the first game was! Can you ask her to grab my water, Chase? Mom! Get Ethan's water!
Foul.
Go down! That guy killed it.
Try to trot it off.
I know. I don't know
What
what
can you do? It's just hang up for it.
Hey, Ethan, popcorn chicken, girl!
Give me another one, Shannon.
Keep one pair of Kyle tamales you can eat.
You ain't getting me another one.
Good job.
Get out.
Get a couple back. How many runs was that?
10.
How many runs they scored?
10. Damn.
Get a couple back. What's the score?
10-0.
Shit. We gotta score now. Dude, they smash. That's not gonna get
Run, Ian, run, Ian, run, Ian, run. You're good.
Stay.
Safe.
Stay. All right, that's a good start.
All right, Josh. Who's up after you handle me? I thought I was our second.
No, you're fourth. I think it's me, then you. I changed it around. Because whatever we did last time did not work at all. So.
You mean swing at crappy pitches?
I guess. You basically roll them in there like a bowler. That's what it was. See, they just want to short you. Keep you underneath it. There we go. There we go. Cut, Pat.
Yo, run it.
Good. That's a run up that hill.
Hey, he is.
Seems a lot longer than one game.
Get on your pitch, guys.
Run it.
Nope.
Safe.
Hey.
All right, Greg. We're over there by that big tree. Whenever he gets here.
Ooh, that's...
God.
Hey, wait for that pitch, guys. There you go. There you go. Good eye.
Strike
Wait
two.
on it, Greg. Wait on it.
Come on, Greg. Watch the ball, Greg. Watch the ball. Hit the bat.
There you go.
Strike three.
Got one down? Yeah.
One down.
Come on, Ian.
There you go. Go, run it.
Out.
Safe. He was out first. Was it a double play?
That's two now.
Yeah.
God.
Heads up.
Two down. Run on anything, Ian.
You want to play right?
Who's that, man? Okay. Yeah, who's that?
I do not. You guys can.
Oh, you're just keeping score. Hey, I ain't being like that.
Oh,
We got this right.
Takes too long.
were you the last out? No, I was the last out.
Yeah. He did the last out.
Yeah.
Whoever you follow, he did the last out.
Whoever the spirit moves to.
Whoever's feeling it.
When's your birthday? Not him. Yeah.
You want this one or that one?
They're going to hit the ball. And they wait.
Good eye, baby.
Very annoying. We never do well in field. We never bring our best players. They don't
Go, Eli.
Touch one, Greg. Yeah.
Again.
You all right, Greg? Hey, tag him.
Dude, he does that. He does that once a year.
You all right, Greg? Go ahead and kiss. Kiss.
Man, I wasn't ready for any contact today.
Good play, Greg. Way to take him out.
Okay. Stick with these guys.
I saw it coming too.
I did too. From a mile away. I was like, oh no.
Play, Josh. Hey, pick us up, Sam. Where are you, Ian? Ian! Yeah, get those. None of the home runs are forced to play.
It just.
And it's either like one out of every like 15 hits is not out of the ballpark.
It's like the perfect time. You guys
Well,
There we go. Yeah. Throw him the heater. Starting to warm up.
Yeah,
Hot.
it stinks. Good eye.
It's a crucial time. This is where my balls decide which leg they're going to stick to.
Exactly. I hope that makes the video.
Yeah.
Nice way to wait, dude.
Decision 2016.
You ran back and waited.
Oh.
Shame my corn on screen didn't make it to the camera. It was good. Had a good crop of tons.
I like your crop. Oh.
Wow.
You gotta admit that you have a problem first. I don't think you just accepted that.
I don't wear it. I don't need it.
You don't need it.
Hey, watch yourself, ball.
I'm gonna need a new shoe.
I mean, I have mine.
Now, Pat, show them the chin music. Whoa. Stop pulling.
Oh, you were all kinds of out of control today. Ooh.
I know. You guys can get sunburned here.
Every day I've been oh my.
I've never actually seen a Wow.
Happened to me a couple times. But like with all these stuff, these things, I've been getting shoes on my
I like it's rare fucking with somebody just I don't know. That's what it is.
well, you need to get to know more.
I have a very limited population to get to know. We have like 5 black people in the Tri-County. Yeah. I count Patrick, so it's really
That's wheels,
cool.
baby. Say.
Running up there. I think he got faster.
And that's cool, whatever.
Right, you people, that's offensive. Huh?
God.
Yeah, thank you, Black Danny. Rock Robinson, Alicia Charlie. They better know that. Yeah. I think she ended up got a college basketball scholarship. I don't know if she made it to the pros or not. Hilarious. Hurricane.
Oh, never mind. They don't like us.
Ain't any out there.
St. Albans. For some reason, they hate us more than nature.
There's nice people like this.
Yeah.
For basically a Putnam County school.
Yeah. They want to beat us up.
There's not really anywhere to work in Hurricane. Everybody lives in Hurricane works in Charleston. It's just easier to live in Charleston.
Yeah. I like Hurricane a lot, and I love the houses. But
Yeah, I love living in this area.
my gosh, like, oh,
Oh, it's getting better.
that's one of my favorite Walmarts over that way.
When they open up. Oh, there.
They open up what?
When we opened up that Route 35 exchange up there in Scott Depot, that really took away a lot of traffic. It's tough now because that one lane of bridge is closed. That tractor trailer ran to the bridge. That's you, Josh. There you go.
Scott Depot's one of my favorite sheets.
Yeah. There's sheets all over the place now. There's one in Hurricane, one in Taste Valley, one in Scott Depot. Hey, good play, man. You all right?
Bobby in second.
What's score now?
Josh.
15-2.
Hey, we're still in this.
Who's up?
I'm up.
Yeah.
Stay positive.
No, we still in this.
Two pitch, two out? There you go. Wait for that pitch. And dropped it. Both dropped. But. Oh! Dropped it. No, dropped it. Good play, though. That was a nice play. Kept from being home. Hey! Huh? Left field. Give me doing what? Left field. Good job.
I mean, I have pictures. I got a lot. So my battery's draining, man.
Use my battery charger.
I usually have a
There you go.
charger that's on.
Stay out. Well, luckily it rolled. You're up next.
Cool. I need to get one of these. Wow.
Nice there, Josh.
I can't believe that didn't take it over. That dude jumped like 10 feet.
Okay, so you got two the same
I was like, is it what?
Greg.
I questioned his heritage.
Go, 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 go!
Out.
Damn.
Stop that just in time. Good shit. I like how Greg was bad at it.
Yeah. He's like, one more distance. So you had that one, man? Right up the God! It's all downhill after second base. You basically just slide home.
15-4.
I turn it on. Where did you get one of these?
My dad got it in Hank and
Watch out for the camera.
$100.
It's still worth it.
But it's actually, you can jump your car with
That's
it.
what was looking at. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah! There it is.
I need
Where you
to
catch
buy
that?
one. Oh my god. That's cool.
Here you go, bud.
It comes with the charger, the plugs and everything.
Oh,
Thanks for
no?
warning.
Yeah.
See, I mean, that's
You trying to get one
I
during
was
the whole
really glad
game?
that.
I finally do, and then they're just like, yeah, let me just knock that back in.
That's what would happen if I had one of those.
Yeah, I'm just amazed that they actually dropped it so I can make it the first. Come on, Pat. Good cut.
Run, 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 run.
Yep.
You want me to pitch or Ian?
Who's up after you?
Me?
Okay.
Didn't want that one?
Run, 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 run. Yeah, that's huge.
No problem.
Can't take you anywhere. Oh! Wow! Yeah. He didn't. He rolled.
Yeah, there's a difference.
That's just blubber. Breathless. It's right there in front of you. Run it, run it, run it, run it, run it.
Out.
Guys, I got no gas.
I'm done. I can't fill it. I've filled all day. You go, bud.
Which side do you want, man?
I'll play center.
We've done last game was
What's the score? Peter?
15-2.
When you call, let's go with these, sir.
We don't want to Ooh. That's close.
Safe.
Hold on, Dan.
Stick around, you want to see more?
I don't know this time to run.
Wear myself out.
Came back. I hit
See if we can get out. Out.
Here we go.
Go, Justin, get it to him.
Out.
Nice play, Josh.
Alright. Heads up.
By the way, there's closer parking spots.
I know, I walk, after I walk like
Check shoes without school.
I was going to go back and walk back. And
I thought about it too, but I
I
was
probably would. But then,
That's a good place to be.
sorry if you come up here and check me out.
You know you're running uphill though.
oh yeah, it gets tiring.
That's what I should have done. I thought, oh, look at all those cars. I'm going to park right here because.
Man, I thought you were going to throw before and you did. That's great.
Flat. Get it up.
Oh, Ian! Oh!
Double strike.
Me.
I was about to say he should run it out. He doesn't know how to catch.
Not over. Set.
Okay. Who's up? Who's the last out?
Whoever was after me, I think.
Did I get the last out?
'Cause after I made an ass of myself and was breathless, it was like no time I was outside.
Yeah, I think you said pop up. Yeah, I think it was you. Josh Bell. Greg.
It's like a treadmill.
Run, Ian, run, Ian, run.
Jesus.
Out.
No, we played at one team. We were watching.
There's a bee on your head.
Uphill run.
Hey, Sammy. There's a bee on your head.
Try.
Get up.
Oh! Hang him and bang him.
He's out.
Oh, damn. That's three. Just like that. Big guns on, boys.
Top of the fourth.
Top four. Hey, Tanner, let's go speed. Go, Tanner.
Out.
Nice play, Josh. Nice play, Ian.
A shot.
Go back up.
Wow.
Probably the farthest hit ball the whole tournament.
That is the longest out you'll ever hit in your life.
Yeah.
That hit the top of the tree to come back in.
Like that might have been.
Dude, you had this big of a window to hit something to bring that back.
I didn't feel like I got much.
Oh, not again.
Look, Josh.
That was literally 100 feet from you guys. Okay. Come on, Damien. You know, like, will you send Yeah, I'll you know what? You'll see him all come out here. Okay.
Run. Two.
Come on. Biscuit. Hey, I'll get you a biscuit.
Don't hit the tree, Flip. You see that team we are?
Yeah, Todd, I was worried about the one I just hit.
What game we're on?
Ready.
Time slots are so far off. This was supposed to be the 10 minutes. No. That was our second game, so it's right after. Yeah, the one 10:55. Yeah, okay. We're trying to hurry up.
My God! It looked like you were going to throw it, then you did. Then you did.
There you are. Yes. Hey.
Don't hit him, don't hit him.
And that felt good. That really felt good.
I wish I'd have felt some of
That was
it.
almost like air conditioning. Sitting in this hot sun.
Here, I knocked this down, Josh. I didn't have it, it was just here.
Okay, up there. Thank you. I tried, I just can't really do it. Whacking it, baby.
You probably shouldn't have.
Well, no, actually, they're missing.
Dude, I thought
Go.
Hey. Getting along.
I'll give you a ballpark.
You get bored or something?
Yeah. We're not running the bases here.
Hey, we can't stop. Let's keep going. More runs.
I hate it.
There you go.
Oh, thank God.
There you go. Hey.
What is it, like 21 to...
Yeah, it's bad.
Let's see. 26.
What's up for 6?
We're still in this.
Last to bat. Unless we scored. 15. I was the last out. Me. Josh.
Bottom of the fourth.
We got to score 15. Run. Right.
Safe. Like that, step back.
No. You wouldn't have, if you would have been in the air.
I know. You gotta get that lower.
Oh, my bad. There you go.
Thank God getting you out for you. Good hit, John.
So down it's a 3-way tie.
Come on, Greg.
I do too. I play best.
Well, hit a home run, you can go pee. You don't hit a home run, you don't get to go pee, Greg. Yeah, pitch yourself. God! Oh my God, I'll get it up. Promise.
Hey, right. There's somebody playing right there.
Get out.
He's out.
I think I was out of play.
Like immediately, as soon as I sit down, like, oh, it's time to get up. These guys got relax. They got massages.
I didn't know where I was going to stand next to you, Pat.
They got games categories going on. They're sitting here waiting.
They're playing Jenga.
If I get up here, I'll be at the back. If I get up here and I'll be at the back.
The game's almost over. 2 more outs. Let's just score 13 more.
There we go.
12 more.
She gone.
I'll get up 2 more times before we get 12 runs.
We'll be all right. It's almost returning.
I know, we'll bun.
See all the paint chips? Yeah. Just
Yeah,
chip
man.
it away. Chipping away at the weed.
Yeah. Bats of our fathers up there. So you got 4 now?
To be honest with you, I almost knew when he hit that ball. So get it.
Get there.
Well, I'm going to pitch myself.
How many you got? 2, 3, 3.
Oh,
How many you got? 2, 3, 3.
3-way tie.
Actually, didn't Ian just take it?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, yeah, Ian's got 4.
Nice pitch.
No matter what.
It might sound weird, but every time I find the elbow down, never have it up, it goes straight to the ground.
Oh, you're getting under it.
Yeah. You won't charge the mound.
Flat.
Get on base, Josh.
Good idea, man. I'm going to take that advice.
Hit a home run, Josh.
Oh!
Out.
Good game, fellas.
Good game.
Good game, guys. Game, guys.
Hey, what's Nice game, man. Nice game. Good game, bud.
Good game, guys.
Yeah, nice game, man.
Where's that team? Who is playing? That them right there?
I didn't shake my hands, but it's alright. Horrible game!
We have to go all the way.
You were
Hope you
all right.
die!
All right. What field am I going to? Where is it?
It's like straight ahead there. Just follow the road. And it's behind this Ohio State red.